Welcome to the List Help videos. This video shows you how to measure distances and areas in LISTmap. To access the measuring functions, hover your cursor over the Tools arrow and click on Map Tools. To measure length, click on the Measure Lengths tool. We will measure the length of Warbs Beach. Click once at the point that you wish to start measuring. As you move your cursor, a box near the cursor will show you the distance from your starting point. Click once to change direction and double-click to finish measuring. The total distance will then appear in the box near your cursor. Now let's measure the area of the Bicheno Sporting Centre. Click on the Measure Areas tool. Click on the map to start. As before, move your cursor around the area you wish to measure, clicking as you go to change direction. As you move your cursor, a box near the cursor will show you the area. Double-click to end and view the total area. Finally, we will look at how to measure curves. You can do this by selecting either the Measure Lengths or Measure Areas tool and pressing and holding the Shift key on your keyboard, then clicking and dragging your mouse to trace the path or shape you want to measure. For example, we can measure the distance of the coastal path linking Warbs Bay and Warbs Gulch. To recommence zooming and panning with the mouse, you will need to select the Pan tool by clicking on the hand icon in the top left of the screen. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.